If you follow the standard electrolyte advice on the back of the bottle during an ultra, you have a statistically high probability of DNFing due to sodium depletion. The average runner loses about 900 milligrams of sodium per liter of sweat, but the biological range is massive, from 400 milligrams to over 2,000 milligrams. If you are a salty sweater, losing 1,500 milligrams an hour, drinking plain water or weak sports drinks creates a dilution effect called hyponatremia, which shuts down your stomach and your legs. Here is the trap. Most mass-market products like Gatorade or standard Nun tablets are formulated for a 5K jog, providing only 200 to 300 milligrams per serving. To replace high sweat losses with these, you'd need to drink 3 liters an hour, which is physically impossible. You need concentrated sources designed for endurance. But high-sodium powders create a secondary problem, flavor fatigue. By mile 40, drinking warm, salty lemon water can trigger the gag reflex, causing you to stop drinking entirely. The hybrid protocol is the experienced runner's solution. Separate your hydration from your electrolytes. Use unflavored capsules like Salt Stick or S-Caps for your precision sodium dosing, and keep plain water in your flask to wash away the palate fatigue. This allows you to adjust sodium intake without forcing more fluid volume. Financially, capsules win. Getting 1,000 milligrams of sodium through premium powders like Tailwind or Scratch costs about $1.50 to $2. Achieving that same dosage via generic salt tablets is under 30 cents. Over a 30-hour race season, that is a difference of hundreds of dollars. Start your next long run with this baseline: 500 milligrams per hour in cool temps, 800 milligrams per hour in heat. If you finish the run with salt crust on your skin or headaches, bump the next run up by 200 milligrams. Don't guess on race day. Dial this in during training. Test your sweat, separate your sodium, and finish strong.